In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a date range and print a balance sheet. Now, let's get started. First, we'll need to access the software where your financial records are stored. This might be an accounting program or a database depending on how your business or organization tracks its finances. Once you're in the program, look for the section or tab labeled Reports. This is generally where you'll find a variety of financial summaries and documents, including the balance sheet that we're interested in today. A balance sheet is a snapshot of your company's financial condition at a specific point in time. It lists your assets, liabilities, and equity, giving you a clear picture of what you own and what you owe. This is why setting the right date range is crucial, as it ensures that you're looking at the most relevant and accurate data for the time period you're analyzing. With this in mind, navigate to the balance sheet report. Once there, you should see an option to set the date range. This option might be a calendar icon or a set of fields where you can enter start and end dates. Pick the date range that's most relevant to your needs. For instance, if you're preparing a quarterly report, you'd set the date range to cover those 3 months. After setting the date range, it's important to review the data preview. Make sure that the numbers align with what you expect. Double check the dates again and ensure that all transactions within this time frame are included so you have an accurate representation. Once everything seems right, look for a print option. In most software, this will be represented by a printer icon or a menu labeled File where you can select Print. Before sending the document to the printer, check the print settings. Ensure that it's set to the appropriate printer and adjust the settings for paper size and orientation if needed. You might also have the option to print double-sided or in color, depending on your preferences and requirements. Another tip is to print a PDF copy of your balance sheet. Most programs will give you the option to print to PDF instead of directly to a printer. This is a great way to keep a digital record that can easily be shared via email or stored in a cloud service for future reference. Having it as a PDF ensures that the format and layout are preserved when you need to revisit or distribute it later. And there you have it. You've successfully set a date range and printed your balance sheet, ensuring you have a precise and clear view of your financial standing for the period in question. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.